Okay, we're done na sa immigration. Wala namang questions. Biometrics lang. Okay, after natin sa immigration, punta naman tayo sa Discover Soul Pass na kiosk dito sa Terminal 1 para i-claim yung ating binili na 3 Discover Soul Pass. Hello guys, nakuha na namin ang aming Discovery Pass. For 2, ito rin ang gagamitin namin na T-Money card para makasakay kami sa mga trains and bus. Yung Discover Pass is for adult lang yung rate niya, kaya ikuha namin si Echo ng different na T-Money card for children pagdating sa city. Dito tayo sa Airport Railroad, all stop. Yan yung train na sasakyan natin papunta sa Seoul and Hotel. So, quick video muna tayo sa ikot ng Incheon Terminal 1. 그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. Tara, mag-load na tayo ng Discover Soul Pass para magamit natin as T-Money card. Huwag mo na tanggalin.
Charging is complete. If you want to receive, please just print receipt. Receipt has completed.
Okay ako. Kuha din tayo ng single journey ticket for children going to Seoul.
Dongdaemun?
Hindi, Dongmyo.
Myeongdong.
Hindi, Dongmyo yun eh. Sa Seoul yun, tapos magta-transfer siya ng magta-transfer sa
원하시는 서비스를 선택하십시오.
Ayan, insert ka. Kunin mo, Echo.
원하시는 서비스를 선택하십시오.
What kind of money is that?
Yeah, I say yeah.
Oh, yes! Habang nandito tayo sa train going to Seoul, i-activate na natin ang Happy Telecom data SIM na may 8GB unlimited data for 15 days. Andito na tayo sa Dongmyo Station, Exit 2. From here, i-follow lang natin yung direction going to Seoul and Hotel. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Seoul and Hotel. Ayan, yan siya. Isang mataas na hotel. Okay, pasok na tayo para makapag-check-in. Okay, we are now checking in.
Yay! Oh, 113.
Yeah.
Hello guys! So for today, i-room tour ko kayo dito sa napili naming hotel, sa Seoul and Hotel sa Dongdaemun area. Ayan. Okay. Dito tayo sa luggage area. So kung makikita nyo, enough and very plenty yung luggage area natin. And then we have the TV. And then meron silang provided na 3 towels. Meron din silang provided na 3 slippers. So as you can see, no, fit talaga yung slippers na pinrovide nila for us as a family. And then itong TV has 995 channels when we checked it earlier. Okay? Ayan yung kanilang iconic na N na table. So merong electric kettle, and then merong mirror, then may 3 hanger. Tagi-tagisa lang for this guest, for this family room. There is a mini refrigerator. And sa mini refrigerator, meron na din siyang kasama na 3 bottled water. Yung Korean bread, dala namin yan dito. Nilagyan na namin dyan. Open natin yung window para makita yung city view. Ayan. That's the city view of Seoul and Hotel. Right. Mamaya, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung magkano kamura lang namin nakuha to. And then, for the bed, this is a double-size bed, good for 2. Tapos, meron din siyang 3 cabinet. Isang shelf with 3 compartments. And then, may saksakan na siya. Yung saksakan niya, pwedeng USB, yung pang saksak mo, pang charging. And then, dito naman sa double deck, kung mapapansin nyo, malaki siya. Hindi lang siya yung tipong pang single lang talaga. Wide siya na single bed. And then, meron din siyang saksakan or socket similar to what we have dito sa baba. Okay, charge namin yung cellphone namin kasi medyo low na kami kanina. Ito naman yung mirror. Tapos, yan yung sink. And then, may cabinet dito. Yan. Probably you can put some of your stuffs there. Mga toiletries. Ito naman yung shower area. So, the shower area. So, meron tayong rain type shower. Yan. Tapos, meron din yung regular na shower head. Okay, merong body soap. And then, shampoo and conditioner. Malinis. Bakalinis niya. Dito naman sa CR, so, may bidet. And then, toilet. Malinis siya. And then, ample amount of tissue. We were able to book this hotel for 2,450 via Agoda. And we made this booking like 3 months before our travel period. Kaya, sobrang mura nung nakuha namin siya. So, I'll give you more updates for tomorrow as we enjoy our buffet continental breakfast here in Seoul and Hotel. Okay guys, breakfast na ulit tayo from 12th floor. Pupunta tayo ng basement 1. We're here at Basement 1 Community Hall of Seoul and Hotel Dongdaemun. Here's the buffet breakfast being served. Breakfast is from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. First, let's give our breakfast coupon for 3 packs. Then, let's fill our plates with this delicious meal. If you like this video, please click and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!